Hey, I'm Jeff Gamet from the Mac Observer, and I'm at AltConf, which is running parallel to Worldwide Developer Conference in San Jose. And I'm here today with Ish, who just happens to be one of the coolest developers I've run across so far.
Thanks.
And so I just had to pin him down and talk for a couple minutes. Ish, tell me a little bit about yourself.
So I've been an indie developer since about 2010, right after the iPad came out. Worked on tons of apps, made tons of mistakes trying to be indie in the store. Recently featured in App the Human Story, the documentary kind of about app developers and what that life entails. And I'm actually starting to pivot a little bit towards education and kind of bringing newer developers into the fold, folks who don't have like CS degrees or backgrounds in anything technical, just folks who kind of want to build an app and just kind of want to get started along that path.
So yeah. Basically, like people that that might otherwise think that getting into coding has too high of a barrier because they didn't go to school.
Absolutely.
You're taking them by the hand and showing them what they can do.
So folks who are young, maybe folks who are over 40, maybe poets. So yeah, just kind of bring everyone into it because there are certain things you need a CS background to do, but there's lots of room in the middle to do some other things that are fun and useful and things like that. So I figured just kind of expand the community, bring more people in.
That's very cool. Well, then very fitting you're here because this whole event has very much of a community feel to me.
Absolutely, yeah. This is my favorite week of the year. This is Christmas for me, yeah.
So what is it that really stands out to you about being at an event like this?
Honestly, it's the connections you can make, the people you can just meet in the halls, and just, honestly, the diversity of it, right? So you get all sorts of people from all sorts of backgrounds from all over the world working on different cool things. You get to just talk to them and meet with them and connect and kind of maybe work on projects together, maybe just learn something from them or teach or kind of whatever. It's really good. Yeah.
Nice.
A lot of great energy.
Now, you said that you have apps that you've gotten onto the App Store. Is there anything that I might be familiar with?
Okay. In the last year, Stamp Pack, which was my sticker app. I love that one to death. That one's just a bunch of like the red stamp stickers. Real popular one is the File Radar one. That was popular with the Apple engineers, but there's like over 400, and we kind of swap them out all through the year depending on the theme or time of year. And then most recently there's one called Boomerang, which is a translation app. It does back translation. So you can translate from English to maybe, actually it's 104 different languages. Use Google Translate. You can do like English to Spanish thing. See the translation, and then it'll actually show you what it's like translated back. Some of those come out kind of funny and not quite exactly what you'd think, so you can kind of modify it and kind of get the right translation before you use it. So,
that's very cool.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. And now you mentioned that you were in a documentary that was screened here.
Yeah.
So tell me about that.
So I was in App the Human Story, which is a documentary kind of talking about what it's like to be an indie developer and working in the Apple ecosystem and some struggles on the App Store, kind of like the highs and lows of indie life. So, yeah.
Cool. Very cool. All right. Now, where can people find you?
Usually on Twitter. I'm on Twitter way too much. So at iShabazz, and I'm at iShabazz pretty much everywhere, but mostly Twitter.
How do you spell that?
ISHABAZZ.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day here at AltConf to chat with me.
Yeah, happy to.
Thank you. And I'm Jeff Gamet for the Mac Observer. Thanks for watching.